Hello viewers, you are weak in English? Don't worry. Let me share with you 4 AIs which you can use in your daily life. First one would be Quillboard, in which we will use paraphrase, translation and grammar. In next part, we will write letter, minutes of meeting and 2 types of official SMS and a romantic SMS at the end. So let's see the best result of Quillboard, ChatGPT, Copilot and Nova AI free website. On screen please. So first let's open quillbbot.com, and it's the best site for improving the English. So let me copy this paragraph. We will improve it along with its spell mistakes as well as alternate words along with the entire text of the body. This software does have plagiarism, grammar check, AI director, plagiarism checker, summarizer, translator and many more things. So let's go and first paste the text on the left side and click paraphrase. After clicking, this site appear, and when you click the sentence, so paraphrase appear, you can change the entire sentence, or you can also change the word, or you can take an alternate word. Let me choose a sentence. So go to paraphrase and take an alternate sentence. Now let me right click on the word, and you can see that a lot of words are available for above mentioned words. So let me change a single word. Now let's go and see, either we can change the entire sentence or we can change the sentence multi times. So yes, we can do it. Click the sentence and choose paraphrase. Alternate sentences are available, so read anyone and select it. You can improve your paragraph the way you desire. Now let's go and copy the same to check either grammar is fine or it needs something to be changed. So let me paste it, and now on the other side, instant messaging is replaced by message if I click. So let me click it. Now the entire paragraph is correct in order of English, as well as we will go and translate the same in free. Click translator, paste the text and now select the desired language, and after the pressing that we will click translate. Now I've changed the English into Urdu. Now let's go and write a 3-letter line to director for immediate relief sending to some XYZ area. So click ChatGPT and write me a letter of 3 lines for immediate relief from XYZ location. Now exact official letter with correct sentence has been reproduced. You may steal it and may read the letter. Now let's bring it to MS Word, write your name and address, and all the things are in accordance to the situation. So you can generate a letter of few lines, or it's the way you would like to go for a detail. Now let's go and write minutes of meeting through AI, in which date, time and venue is correct. So let me paste it, and Copilot AI will provide minutes of meeting. Now in exact order, minutes of meeting has been generated, date, time, venue is correct. However, the participant need to be replaced. Agenda, minutes, agenda action, and at the end, complement or adjournment. So simply bring it to MS Word, add or deduct whatever you need, as well as it's in the best possible order. So just make your sign and your minutes of meeting is ready. Now let me ask Nova AI to write me an SMS that I can't attend the next day meeting. So let me paste it, and it has generated exactly correct SMS. Nova AI is a free software which provides AI solutions. Now SMS has been ready, you may read it. Just write your name and click send through WhatsApp. Now the most important, let's write a romantic SMS to her fiancé to tell her to say greeting and her importance through Copilot AI. Now the input has been added to Copilot and a beautiful SMS which worth to be read is generated along with heart sign. Just copy the same and impress your fiancé or friend whatever you like along with the heart. I hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe my video.